Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, so I want to do something for us, just like a gift for this new month. I want to show us a cookbook niche that you can go into and start working on right away. That's this cookbook niche. This cookbook niche is making over $2,000 monthly on Amazon KDP. Alright, I'm going to show you the keyword. I'm going to show you what you need to do to dominate the niche, and I'm going to show you the different strategies you can use to make sure you create multiple books on that same topic. All right, we are going to look at the book on Amazon. We are going to confirm it with Publisher Rocket. We are also going to confirm it with Google Trend. All right, so without wasting time, let's dive into the video for today. Alright, so I am on Amazon. The title of the cookbook is Cortisol Detox Diet for Women. Cortisol Detox Diet for Women, right? So as you can see, it is just 235 results for cortisol detox diet. Alright, so, and if you check through the books you are seeing here, right? They are all recent publications, all this year. This is February 2025, and it has over 161 reviews already, ratings, right? Then we have Mediterranean Cortisol Detox Diet 2025. This was published in April, 2 months ago, and it has 9 ratings already. This one is December 2024. We have May. So these are all recent books, and I can assure you they are doing so well on Amazon. Now let's look at some of these books. Let's see their BSR. So the first one we're going to look at is the Mediterranean Cortisol Diet 2025. All right, so now this particular book has 9 ratings, right? If you have watched my video, in case you have not yet seen my video, where I talked about how to get keywords, get reviews or ratings for your book, I believe you need to watch this video, right? This is a video you need to watch, and you can get reviews for your book without paying for it, right? So go ahead and sign up and watch this video right away. Okay, so this particular author has 9 ratings for this book, and this was published in April, all right, with 9 ratings. Okay, so we can see it has just 87 pages. You can go ahead and look inside of the book to see the contents and how you can do better, right? That's the idea behind modeling. We want to see how you can do better than this author, all right? And as you can see, the BSR just 12,000. Are you seeing? And this is paperback. Yeah, this is paperback for a book published in April 2025 with just 9 ratings. The BSR is 12,000. So for me, this book is doing amazingly well, right? It is selling massively. All right, so this is another title, Mediterranean Cortisol Detox for Women over 35. All right, so it is even a new release. This is in May, just last month that we just left. All right, let's see the BSR. Let's see the BSR. Let's see the BSR. 44,000. All right, now one thing you will notice about these books on Amazon is they have reviews. They have A+ content, right? They have reviews. Okay, this one doesn't have A+ content, but most of them have reviews. They have A+ content, and most of them are running ads on their book. All right, they are running ads on their book. So if you want to come into this particular topic, if you want to dominate it, what do you need to do? What do you need to do to be able to write this particular cortisol diet? Remember, the keyword itself is cortisol diet, right? So niching down is where you can now put cortisol diet for women, cortisol diet for beginners, cortisol detox diet, cortisol detox diet for women over 60, for menopause. All right, you can niche down. In fact, I've listed down some cortisol detox topics that you can write on right away. All right, let me show you the list. You can see cortisol detox diet for women. That's 1 book already. We have cortisol detox diet cookbook. That's 2 books. Mediterranean cortisol detox diet. Mediterranean cortisol detox diet for women. You can even write Mediterranean cortisol diet detox for women in menopause. All right, this can be, so you can have 5 books under this particular niche. you can have 5 books under this particular niche, right? That is a way, this is one strategy of coming into a particular cookbook niche and dominating it. You don't need to have hundreds of cookbooks. You can find one particular cookbook topic that is doing very well, and you can niche down on it so well that you dominate that niche. So when people are searching for women, your book is there. They're searching for men, your book is there. They're searching for beginners, your book is there. Alright, these are the different niches you can use on this particular topic. Alright, so let me now head over to Publisher Rocket, and then let's see how much this title itself is making. Alright, so as you can see, this is cortisol detox diet for women, and it is making over $2,000. Alright, we have cortisol detox diet for women. This is making $3,000 monthly on Amazon. If you know how to dominate this niche, you can make a whole lot of money on Amazon with it. Alright, so now let us look at Google Trends now, and let's see if this book is actually being searched for. Alright, let's see the Google Trend, and let's see what people are saying about this book. Alright, so as you can see, I'm on Google Trend right now, and this is the estimated search results just for past 30 days, right? So this is cortisol detox diet, and this is worldwide, all right, not just US, worldwide. People are actually searching for cortisol detox diet all over the world. This is a topic you want to start writing on right away. And I've told you, if you want to dominate this, you can see the countries where these searches have high interest: Ireland, Iceland, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, let's see more, New Zealand, United States, South Africa, and so on and so forth. These are the countries. Right, now let's see related topics and see inflammatory carnivore, how to lower cortisol. Let's see the top. Alright, so this is the top searches as related to cortisol detox diet, right? So people are searching for cortisol detox diet plan. So you can use this in your 7 backend too. We have cortisol diet plan. We have Mediterranean cortisol detox diet. We have Mediterranean cortisol. You can even see more. What is cortisol? So these are 7 backends. What is cortisol detox diet? What is cortisol detox Mediterranean diet, and so on and so forth. Right. So this can be your 7 backend guide. All right. Just make sure you are not repeating too much of the keywords. Okay. So right. So I just said let me share this with us as a new month gift. All right. The best you can do for me is to like this video. All right, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I want to know in the comment section what you think about this cookbook topic. All right, is this something you intend to work on right away? All right, mind you, you will need to run ads, right? You will need to run ads because we have over 236 people competing for this particular topic, right? But you can actually come in and still dominate if you follow everything I just said. Right, when you publish the book, you want to make sure you get reviews. You want to make sure you have A+ content. You want to make sure you have editorial reviews, and all these are on my channel. Right, how to get reviews for free, how to put editorial reviews, how to. Okay, I don't have A+ content yet, but I'm still working on that video. I'll create a video on A+ content very soon. Right, after you have done that, you want to go ahead and you want to run ads and dominate the niche. Run ads, dominate the niche. Run ads and dominate it. Right, so you will have various topics you can write on under this cortisol. Right, you have various topics you can write on that cortisol. You can dominate this word cortisol, so that anybody is searching for cortisol at all, your book can come up. All right, you can even use air fryer, Mediterranean air fryer cortisol detox diet. So this is just an idea that you can just use. So brainstorm, look for how you can dominate this keyword, cortisol detox diet. So if you have found value from this video today, I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be dropping more videos like this. Alright, probably this month I will drop 2 or 3 more cookbook topics that you can actually start working on right away to make a whole lot of money on Amazon. Alright, so see you in my next video.